You searched how to buy shares of Chrysalis Investments Limited, and this video will walk you through that process. Chrysalis Investments Limited is listed on LSE PLC under the ticker CHRY.L. This is an educational overview, not financial advice, so research and caution are recommended. To buy CHRY.L, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will normally have to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CHRY.L to bring up the possible matches. Make sure you select the listing that shows LSE PLC to find the correct Chrysalis Investments Limited share. Open the Chrysalis Investments Limited instrument page to check basic company details and view the price chart. Confirm the name and ticker CHRY.L to ensure you are on the right asset page. Click Invest, enter the monetary amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order type, fees, and totals before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade is confirmed. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For the eToro link and more resources, check the description below.